How to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. What's up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix if it says an error that you have too many friends on Snapchat. But before getting started, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you are facing the error where it says you have too many friends when you're trying to go ahead and add new friends on your Snapchat, then in that case, it may be because you have reached the maximum friends limit, that is 2,500 people. So the first thing you can try to do is just simply go ahead and remove your friends. So just tap on your profile, scroll down and go ahead and tap on my friends. You will see a list of all of your friends. So you can just tap on the particular person, tap on it, tap on the three dots, and then tap on manage friendship to remove it as a friend. So you can remove a few people that you don't have contacts with anymore to go ahead and add new friends. But if that doesn't work, then what you can do is try to contact Snapchat support. So head over to your settings and then tap on Help Center. Now, once you land on the Help Center page, you can just go ahead and scroll down until you see Contact Us. So just tap on Contact Us right here. So here you'll have to submit a report. So just choose a topic that you want to choose. So it could be anything. So I'm just going to choose a random one right here. So once you do that, now from here I'm going to tap on profile and communities. And from here you can tap on my profile. So from here you can submit a request. So you can just simply enter all of these details right here. And you can just go ahead and choose a file, and on description you can write down that I want to add more friends but it is showing me this error, please help me fix it, and they will contact you on your email in a few days and you should be able to fix the problem. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next one.